Happy Monday, guys. So apparently my husband want Chinese food. So I'm not order nothing. You can cook it yourself. You know for order. Boil your water. Put your noodle in for at least a minute. Make sure all of it in the water. Stir it around nicely. Get it all in. Then we're gonna chew it off in a strainer. There we go. Then put it some cold water on it to start the cooking. Okay, you know what a soft soggy noodle. Of course we're using coconut oil, guys. As I stress it to you, don't use nothing else to cook. We're gonna use some hot oil, hot chili oil. So enough for add pepper because that's gonna be spicy alone. Then you're gonna have your vegetables. Stir fry that. Make sure, just half cook it. Don't well done cook it, half cook it. Add some sugar. Yes, I know this is pretty unhealthy, but yeah. Black pepper, some shrimp, soy sauce, mushroom sauce. And then add that last, your bean sprout. Then add your noodle. Then combine all of them. Make sure it cover all the noodles. Get that sauce in the noodles. Don't leave out nobody. There you go, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Can add some scallion after, just for garnish. Wow, beautiful. There you have it, guys. That looks pretty good. Sorry, I can't eat it. Then, oh, I forgot. I cooked some black pepper beef. So I'm gonna put that on top with some wings. There you go, black pepper beef. Your wing. And some spring roll. Boil one, take out. And put some onion on top. Alright. That look good. That look more than take out. So I'm gonna give it to him when you gonna see him skin him teeth. Here we go.